How to install Spotify on your mobile iPhone, step by step. Spotify is a popular music streaming app that allows you to listen to millions of songs, podcasts, and playlists on your smartphone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now type Spotify in the search bar and select the official Spotify Music and Podcasts app from the search results. On the Spotify app page, tap the Get button to start downloading the app. You may need to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait for a few moments until the app is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. Once you see the Open button, tap on it to launch Spotify. When you open Spotify for the first time, you can create a new account or sign in with your existing account. After logging in, you can search for your favorite songs, create playlists, follow artists, and start enjoying music on your iPhone. So that's how you can download and install Spotify on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step guides.